How to fix system UI not responding error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you how you can fix system UI not responding error. So before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now let's begin. So the system UI not responding error on Android usually means that your phone's interface is overloaded. So often it's fixed by restarting your device. So what we'll do at first, the quick fixes is restart the device. So press on the volume up and the power button together for several seconds until the phone vibrates, or if you simply see a restart button available, tap on it. This often resolves your temporary glitches. Now you'll need to clear out your cache. So go to your settings. After you're on your settings, go to storage and make sure that you have enough storage. So you'll need to have at least a 15 to 20% of the original storage empty and left for optimal and efficient use of your device. So make sure that you have that much space available. Also, if you have downloaded any third-party apps, you might have to uninstall those apps. So sometimes apps installed from unknown sources can cause trouble. Head over to your settings, scroll down till you find system, tap on reset options, and from here you'll find reset app preferences. Tap on it and tap on reset app. After doing that, your preferences for everything will be reset. You'll not lose any data, but it will help you fix the UI not responding issue. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you found the video helpful. Leave a like down below and stay tuned for more.